So high-level meeting has taken place in MHA in Delhi regarding Manipur. Now what we are getting it from our sources in MHA and from Manipur is that a detailed report of what has happened in Manipur till now has been submitted. What is the present situation? What was the situation back 6 months, last 6 months? Exactly what has happened in Manipur. Every nitty-gritties have been submitted to the MHA, and the meeting really went on for long. Number one is each and every details of various developments of Manipur, be it the joint operations, be it the investigations, be it the situation of the relief camps, everything in details, every details was given to MHA by the officers. The most important thing obviously is that an entire stock taking has been, the MHA has taken an entire stock of the situation there right now, and also for last 6 months what has happened there, how things have changed, whether things are better or not. Till now there has been existence of large numbers of arms and ammunitions that is not outside, that is not still been controlled, and that is not been, every arms and ammunition has not been really taken into by the authorities. They have still now there are certain weapons which are outside, their arms and ammunitions are outside. So a very serious note has been taken on that aspect about the existence of arms and ammunitions outside, and that is available to the common people out there. That's one very important point which is there, which has been told in the meeting and which has been discussed in the meeting. Also what we are gathering is that specific instructions have been given to the officers out there that what needs to be done, what are the things which needs to be tightened more, and what is expected that after this important, very vital meeting in MHA, something major might come up. So basically the government, the central government is very serious now to resolve the condition of people of Manipur, though they have to come up with a solution, and that is where the central government is seriously working on, and that is the reason for which this stock taking was very important, and that's why the meeting lasted for long. So that is one vital thing, that the MHA is very serious and they are taking more joint operations will be there, that is expected. But what is the peace theory? They can come up with a peace theory only when they know right now about the nitty-gritties of the present situation, and that's what News 18 is getting it from the sources who tells News 18 that an entire stock taking has taken place and certain important instructions have also been provided.